time we would be looking to go to Ainslie again. So why don't we do that just for fun? And she'll be talking about oil this time.
Yeah, it's going to be short and sharp and to the point with oil at the moment because it's she's been all over the place. And yeah, we've gone full circle. At the beginning of the week, we were looking for a break above this level of this resistance level. We had some news out on inventories. Down she came, up she went, took off again, and then with non-farm payrolls, we're back to where we started. So we've had a really big roller coaster ride all week, Geoff, and it's nothing much to go on. Normally it's I mean, if you really want to break it down, you can say we've broken through, we've bounced off the new monthly pivot, we've come up, we've got close to tweezer tops. Is it going to keep coming back down again? I don't know. We've had a hurricane over there in the Gulf of Mexico, which closed down a few things. We closed down the Colonial Pipeline, which is the largest pipeline in the US. Then we've had the scare with the Delta variant not opening up, and then we've had the non-farm payroll. So we've had quite the week, but completely directionless. Like I said, we started the week about here, and we've ended the week about here. And at the moment, I've got I need more information. I need things to settle down. We had a bit of a nice move up, and then it peters out. The momentum really lost traction at the end of last week. And this week, we're just muddling along. At least last week, we muddled along. I need a bit more to go on, I'm afraid, Geoff. There's just, as soon as something comes out, something with a contrarian view comes out, and it flies off, but drifts back down again. So we've got no traction at all on oil at the moment.
Well, there you go. Guess what you do when that happens?
You stay out. You stay
that much.
Out of it. Yeah. I mean, look at it. This is where we started. This is what we were looking for a break for. We got the break. Then it came a double top and then straight back down again, and we've come full circle. Had this
looks like a nice retest of that level, though, doesn't it?
Oh yeah, retest, but and we've sat right on the 20 EMA on the 4-hourly chart, but there's no direction. You know, we came down and retested not quite this level. I guess technically you can say we've got a higher low. I don't know. It's like I said, you can dissect why it's moved and what's changed direction, or whether that fundamental reason has held any longer than about 3 hours before it turns around and changes its mind and comes back down again. It's a bit crazy. So when it's like that, it's just best to stay right out of it, and just let things settle down a bit to get a bit of direction. So nothing there to go with. And you know, OPEC meetings aside, we got the OPEC meeting. It was pointless. They're doing what they said they were going to do. Big deal. Nothing. There we go.
There's a couple of letdowns last week, wasn't there? OPEC meetings and NFP, yeah.
NFP, if I was, because I was trading gold long, I'm okay with that. That's not a problem. But with oil, it just goes to lack of demand, and as soon as you've got that happening, it is just folding on itself. As soon as it gets the whiff of some bad news, and that's hard to trade. That's really hard.
Okie dokie. So it's the shiny stuff for the week ahead, not the black version.
No, and you can back that up with a Condol, one of the Condol, and I'm leaning Aussie dollar, obviously. So yeah, put that in your little kit and stir it along and see how you go. But I'd leave the black gold out of the equation for the time being.
Happy days. Thanks, mate.
Happy Father's Day to you and to the other fathers.
Matt?
Happy Father's Day. Hope you had a nice
Thank you very much. Yeah. I had a nice little chat with the Big Island today, and my son, who's probably not, well, he's only about 5Ks from you. I think he's in Surrey Hills.
Oh, no, that's less than 5K. I know exactly where my 5K is, actually.
Thought you might.
Yeah, no, it's a bit like that. And even though we're we are all Australian. It is carrying on something like we are all individual nations at the moment. So unfortunately, but
one day we'll look back on this and we'll say, no, we won't say that. We'll say,
no, we won't.
we'll say something. We'll swear probably.
Yeah, probably. And politicians really, yeah. Look, having said that, I really wouldn't want to be a politician at the moment.
True story. Listen, if I don't get out of here, we'll be running into the next show. Well, there's actually not a show, it's a meeting, but we better get out of here. Thanks, mate. We'll catch up with you during the week.
Bye.